Then, now I'm going to append those groups directly into this scenes model. So I go to the File menu, Append, and then after you open the dome.blend file, you will see another folder called group because you have just do the grouping. And now the first one that you do is just the name group. The second one that you group is the group.001. So Blender support multiple groupings. So I just append this one. And this one is the one that I append to Blender. And you can append multiple. So I also group this one. I can delete it. And you can append more. So I do File, Append, and do another group. I can append multiple. And all of them will be like separate objects within. But for the file names, if you did not name it properly, you will see that in the scenes file, it still have bad name with it. Okay, but let me try to show you to the render version, maybe the texture version. There is a black like this. That is because the one that you have in the original file is in the cycle render. If you choose Blender render, you may not get the good result. So you have to change into the cycle render and then you will get the color which is as expected. Okay, and after you have the append, I have already shown you that for the append, you can edit using edit mode like this. You can edit everything. Another thing that you can do is you can link. The same thing. You can go to the file link and then select the group, or you can select each separately. But for the link, if you see it clearly, it will have a kind of axis in the middle. And for the link, it seems like it's copy everything inside the original file into this. This one is the origin point in the original file. Like this. In the original file, you have the origin like after the dome itself here, right? Then, when after you link into this file, you will have the axis that show your original. And if you are trying to rotate, it will refer to your original. And for the link, even if you click, you cannot edit in the edit mode. Okay. There is no edit mode for you to do. If you would like to make change, you have to go to the original file to make change. So let you show me this. The first two created by the append, right? I can go to the edit mode and I can scale by z-axis like this. And it may change directly. But for the link, because I cannot go to edit mode after I select objects, that's why it cannot. But if you would like to change the objects that you create with link, what you can do is you have to go to the original file and make change of it. For example, I scale this one on the y-axis. Like this, and I have to save and close it. And then I will reopen it again. I will reopen the scene file. You will see that the object that you link the dome in, it will change if and only if you change the mesh in the original file. And that includes the color, the color, shading, and other things. Okay? And two interesting things that I have to mention here for the link and append. I'm not sure if it's a bug in this version of Blender or other things, but if you would like to have both link and append in your file, you have to import by append first, because after you import the link object, Now you can no longer import the object using append. I'm not sure if it's a bug, but that's what it is. So let me try to append other file. For example, I have the speaker.blend, this one. This one already have the group. I just append into it. And it's quite depends on the size of your original file. You will see that if your friends create the file using different size, this is what's happening. But yeah, you can scale them later, but it still take more time to work. And so if there are objects like this, I would say you can choose both append or link. But if your file is the characters, let me show you. If your file is a character, for example, let me show you the original file first. This one. If I have the characters with IK that you can post with the bones that you can move, so you are going to import your character into this file, how could you do that? You can do the same thing, but I recommend you to use the append, and let's see why. For example, I select the Tom model, bone IK, and I have already grouped them, so I just select the group. I'm not sure which one. Let's try. No, this one is just the skeleton, so I select wrong group. So I append again using the group 001, and this one should be the model with everything, right? So in this model, after you append it in, you can delete unwanted things out. Okay. And if you select the objects, select the bone, you can go to the pose mode and you can start moving like your original file, right? And this is what you expected, right? Okay, and this is the append. But if you try to use the link with this character, let's see what will happen. If you select the link, you will get something like this. And because it's allow only object mode, you cannot edit the pose. That's why if you have the character, you have to append them. And after you append, it means that your friends can no longer decorate your model. That's why for the characters, you have to finish everything first before you import them into the Blender scenes file. Now you know how to use Blender to import other props, other files in order to create the scenes, in order to do the layout. Next, let's go to the next stage, which is the animation.